Hey you guys, welcome back. In this video, we're going to be continuing to get the Project 996 car ready for paint. On Monday it goes in, we've got the calipers to get installed, we've got the piston mufflers to get installed, we've got the wheels to put back on. I mean, there is just so much to do. Let's get to it. Yeah, I'm so excited and there is so much to do that I can barely get my words out today. So in my lunch times and my evenings and the early hours of the morning this week, I'm sort of working on pulling everything together with Steve and Pat to get this car ready to go into paint. We've set ourselves the date of Labor Day to get the car ready. And we think we can do it. It's getting close. There is still a lot to do. But over the course of the next few days, we're going to be rebuilding calipers. We're going to be putting the rubber on the tires. We're going to be putting the brakes on, the calipers back on, the steel hoses for the brake lines, putting the wheels on. We've then got to, torque and tighten all of the bolts that are still there for the transmission, which is sitting on the car, but it's not yet fully torqued to spec. Pat's got to finish doing the last 3 coils, which Pat is becoming a saga if you're watching. But we're going to get started today by putting the brake calipers back together. Behind me, the calipers have just come back from Jacobson's powder coating, which is in Burnsville, Minnesota. We've got some brake caliper rebuild kits that we bought online, which give us the new piston seals and give us the new dust boots for the pistons. I'm going to put that together right now. And then ahead of the guys coming over later this week, I'm going to start getting them on the car. So yeah, it's go time. It's go time. All right, let's get on to the calipers. So I'm going to start with this caliper. We've got 2 valve holes, or 2 holes in the top where the valve caps and the bleeder caps go. I'm going to screw those in. First, I'm going to put the base of the little cap around the bottom. And then I'm going to screw it in. And that's it. That's it. So now that we've got the 2 ends on, I'm going to be building the caliper. And inside, let's just see if you can see. Inside each piston here, there is a small groove. And that's where the rubber seal is going to go. You can see them on each side. The other thing to note is that these 2 pistons here are smaller than the 2 here, just slightly. And the same is true on the bigger caliper. So we actually have 4 different size
components here, which means getting the parts sorted before you start into piles is really important. So I'm going to start by just doing one to show you how I do it, and then we'll go ahead and just do it all. But it's going to start with putting the first little seal in, and I'm going to be greasing it up with this silicone paste first. And once I've got one part of the seal in, I'm then just using my finger to work it around the groove, and it should just sit into place. Now actually, I can tell here straight away that this one is too big. I think I've used, yeah. Or have I? Oh no, that fits in nice and flush. Now I'm going to take one of the pistons, just grease around the outside, and then push that into place. And I've only pushed it in about 3/4 of the way because I need to put the dust boot. This dust boot is going to go around the front, like so. A little easier to do maybe while it's on the ground. Okay, there we go. The dust boot's now on. So to push that into place, it fits perfectly into place, and then we're good to go. So here we have the caliper with the 2 ends on, and our 4 pistons with the seals and the dust boots. And now essentially this is ready to go back on the car. I'm going to run my fingers around the seals just to make sure then the dust boots to make sure they're in properly. But essentially that's now ready to go on the car, connect up to the brake lines, and we should be good to go.
So guys, that's one of the calipers put back together with the piston seals and the pistons. Now I've got to do the other 3. Just, you know, for anybody trying this, the size of those piston seals, they look really similar, but actually in each caliper there are 2 different sizes of seals and pistons. And I had the wrong seal in one of the holes, which was slightly too small, and it just would not let me get the piston in as much as I was pushing down. And so I just tested the other one out and it went in, no problem. So really straightforward. The only complication is just making sure you're lining up all of the parts completely correctly. Otherwise it won't go back together very easily. So that's it. I'm gonna keep going on the calipers, and then we're gonna get them on the car.